You found it. That rare coin. The one worth thousands, maybe more. But now you are stuck. Because nobody tells you the next part. Where do you actually sell it? How do you turn that coin into real money in your pocket? I get hundreds of these comments every single week. So today, no more guessing. This is the exact step-by-step guide to sell your rare coins for top dollar. And avoid getting robbed in the process. Do not skip step 3. It is the one that costs people thousands. Before you sell anything, you need to be 100% sure. Because here is the hard truth. Most coins people think are errors are not errors at all. They are just damage. That scratch. That gouge. That is called post-mint damage. And it is worth nothing. A real mint error happens at the mint, before that coin ever reached your hand. So grab a jeweler's loupe, or a cheap digital microscope. Look for the doubling in the letters. Check the mint mark. Compare it to a verified example. Because if you send damage to a buyer, you lose your credibility, and you waste your own time. Now the big question. Should you get it graded? Grading means sending your coin to a company like PCGS or NGC. They authenticate it, they rank it, and they seal it in a slab. That slab is trust. It tells every buyer the coin is 100% real. But here is where people lose money. Grading is not free. It can cost $30, $40, even $50 per coin. So do the math. If your coin is worth $50, do not spend $40 grading it. But if that coin could be worth thousands. Grading is the smartest move you will ever make. It can double, even triple, your final sale price. Quick favor before step 3, if this is finally making sense to you. Type the word coins down in the comments. It tells me to keep making these guides. And it helps this video reach the next person holding a fortune they do not know about. All right, this is step 3, the one that costs people the most money. Where you sell changes everything. Option 1, the local coin shop. You get instant cash today, but you will get the lowest price because they have to resell it for a profit. Option 2, online auctions like eBay or great collections. This is where the real money lives. Collectors from all over the world bid against each other. And that competition drives your price up. The downside, fees and shipping risk. Option 3, specialty collector groups and forums. You sell direct to serious collectors, higher prices. But you need a reputation first. My advice for a beginner. Start with a graded coin on a trusted auction site. It protects you, and it gets you top dollar. So you picked your marketplace. Now you have to list it right. Because a bad listing kills your price before anyone even bids. Rule 1. Photos clear, bright, high resolution. Show the front, show the back, and zoom in tight on the error. Rule 2. Your title. Use the exact coin name, the year, the mint mark, and the error type. That is how buyers actually find you in search. Rule 3. Be honest. Describe every single flaw. Trust is what sells coins. Lies just get you banned. And now the golden rule. The one mistake that destroys value instantly. Never ever clean your coins. I know it looks dirty. I know you want it shiny. But cleaning a coin can slash its value by 90%. That old toning. That is history. And collectors pay big money for it. So leave it alone. Let us recap. Authenticate it. Do the math on grading. Pick the right marketplace. List it clean and honest. And never touch it with a cleaner. That is how you turn pocket change into real money. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever sold a coin? What did you walk away with? Tell me your story in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to know which coins to hunt for next, watch my recent video on the 7 Lincoln pennies hiding in your change right now. It is on your screen. Go find your fortune.